severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Linden, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hohenwald, Centerville, Prim Springs, Cummins, Nunnally, and Pleasantville. This includes Interstate 840 near mile marker 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.